In this video, I wanted to take a bunch of mistakes I was making in my trading and compile them all so I could help as many people as possible with their own trading. And it is my hope that you will get a lot out of this video. The fact is that traders have to actively keep up with so much information and knowledge that it's easy to overlook mistakes that you may be making in one area or another. Trading is a business, and the more serious you take it, the better results you will have. One of the most important things you should be doing is writing down your mistakes when you notice you are making them so you can ensure that you do not keep repeatedly making those same mistakes and having them cause you to lose money. If you keep making the same mistakes, you can't expect to ever improve. But if you keep progressing, eventually there will be no reason why you shouldn't be profitable. Another huge thing that causes people to become unprofitable is that they keep trying to use other people's ideas, opinions, strategies, and systems to be successful instead of coming up with their own ideas. Just because someone found what works for them does not mean it's going to work for you. You could pay for hundreds of trading systems and none of them would work because you haven't found your trading style or your ideal setups. Someone else's opinion does not move the market unless you are Elon Musk or George Soros. You should be trading what you see on the charts and ignoring all the noise. The problem with listening to these YouTubers give their opinions on certain projects is that you won't be able to form your own opinion and you will become biased based off the good things you heard about it, when in reality, that YouTuber is probably taking money from all the people they just told to buy that project. Moving on to the topic of risk management. Not using stop losses is the most foolish thing you can do. Risk management is more important than anything else because it's what allows you to stay in the game and not blow up accounts, leaving yourself with no trading capital. A few small losses that came from getting stopped out can easily be recouped on one good winning trade. There's really no excuse for not using a stop loss. You can even use it to lock in profits by raising it to the break-even point after you have a small amount of profit, and then progressively up as price continues higher. It is very important that you learn to use the stop loss in these ways because otherwise you won't be trading for long. Discipline and patience are key to being successful no matter what market you are trading in. If you don't have the discipline to follow your trading plan or the patience to wait for the market to present a good opportunity to you, then you won't be trading for long. Bad habits and bad qualities can negatively affect your trading and cause you to lose money. An example would be, instead of taking time to prepare healthy food, you choose to eat some pizza, and because you cut corners when it came to food, you are going to end up cutting corners in your trading, which is going to cause you to lose money. People who are impatient end up making a bunch of small mistakes because they are so eager to make some money, and because they let their emotions get the better of them, they end up losing money. One of the great things about trading is that you can work to improve yourself, and alongside that you will make more money and see more success. I'm going to quickly touch on how nothing in crypto is guaranteed. There is no magical indicator that is going to make you a profitable trader, no setup that plays out 100% of the time, and no way that you can always be right. The last thing that I want to touch on is trading with a negative mindset, or while you are going through negative emotions. Let's say you just got out of a losing trade, and instead of understanding that losing is a part of the game, you decide to take it personally, and you believe that you are your losing trades, instead of understanding that each trade has nothing to do with one another. Markets are all about probability, and learning to take losses is just one more thing you will have to accomplish on your path to profitability. And if you want to support the channel, why not drop a like? And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. I hope this video helped you.